Welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, March 18th, 2025, we're analyzing Bitcoin, looking at both the latest news and the chart data to make sense of what's happening. Let's start with the recent news headlines. CoinDesk reports BTC is stalling at $84,000 ahead of the FOMC meeting, so all eyes are on the Fed's rate decision. We also see reports of Strategy buying more Bitcoin. MicroStrategy acquired 130 BTC, signaling continued confidence in Bitcoin's long-term value. Meanwhile, exchange OKX halted some services due to misuse by North Korean hackers, per CNBC, a reminder of the ever-present security risks in crypto. Now, let's dive into the charts. Starting with the daily chart, we can see a broad range of price action over the last several months. Bitcoin has been quite volatile, experiencing both significant rallies and pullbacks. We'll filter the chart to narrow in on the more recent price action. Filtering to the last few months on the daily, we can see a recent downtrend followed by a strong upward move, and now another pullback. It appears that BTC is struggling to hold above the 84K level. The daily chart suggests a potential area of support around $80,000, a level that has acted as a bounce point in the past. Resistance is seen around $90,000, and breaking above that could signal a bullish continuation. Now let's switch to the 1-hour chart to get a closer look at the immediate price action. The 1-hour chart shows more short-term volatility. If we zoom in to see the last few days on the 1-hour, focusing on the last few days' action on the 1-hour, we can see indecision in the most recent candles. The price action is relatively choppy without a clear trend. With the information from CoinDesk about BTC stalling ahead of the FOMC meeting, this may be a sign of investors holding back in anticipation of the results of the meeting. Finally, let's examine the 15-minute chart to find possible entry and exit locations for short-term trades. Looking at the 15-minute chart, we can identify even smaller support and resistance levels. Short-term support might be found around $83,700, while resistance could be near $84,400. These levels can be used for scalping trades, but be mindful of the higher timeframe trends. In summary, Bitcoin is at a crucial juncture. The daily chart shows a potential bounce around $80,000, but a clear break below that level would invalidate the bullish outlook and suggest a move lower towards 78K or even the 70K ranges. Conversely, breaking above 90K on the daily would be bullish. The 1-hour and 15-minute charts are currently showing indecision, likely influenced by the upcoming FOMC meeting. Watch for breakouts or breakdowns from the shorter timeframes to gauge immediate market sentiment. Given the news, a hawkish stance from the Fed could send BTC lower, while dovish comments might provide some relief and allow BTC to rally. Always manage your risk carefully and consider your own investment strategy.